Well, hello there and welcome to this training, which is on PHP from Intermediate to Advanced. I am David Connolly, the web developer extraordinaire. I've been using PHP commercially since 2003. I run a site called Speed Coding Academy. I'm also the author of a PHP framework called the Trongate Framework. Anyway, what I've noticed is that here on YouTube there's some really fantastic PHP training. And there's quite a lot of stuff covering beginner PHP. There's also actually quite a lot of advanced PHP out there as well, but there's not much material that takes developers from that middle ground to the advanced zone. That's what we're going to be covering here. I think there's a need for this kind of material, and it's about time somebody puts something out there that addresses that gap that I think is out there in our community. So here's what's going to be coming up. We're going to start off by talking about how PHP syntax has changed over the years, but more importantly, why it has changed. So just a little bit of history so that you're kind of clued up on why things are going the way that they are going. Then we're going to cover pretty much the building blocks of PHP development, which is classes. So for many of you, this will be just recapping, creating them, extending them, and so on. But then we'll move on to more advanced concepts, like using advanced loading techniques, static methods, and things like that. Then we're going to cover how to map out a framework. So you will be able to look at a framework like the Trongate framework or CodeIgniter or something like that, and you'll know how that works, how all of the files are connected, how routing works. You'll even be able to make your own framework if that's what you're into. Now, by the way, I'm not teaching how to make your own framework. That would take till next Christmas. If you are into that, I would recommend, let me give him his little mention here. I'd recommend this Udemy course if you're serious about building your own framework. It's from Brad Traversy, and it's an excellent training course. Just thought I'd mention that. But I am going to show you how to cover the routing, and I'm basically going to give you the building blocks so that it's something that you'll understand and you'll be able to set up if you want. By the way, doing the general plumbing and architecture for a framework is considered the most difficult part. You are going to be able to do that by the end of this training. Then we're going to cover how to interact with a database using PDO. There's still a lot of developers who are unclear about this, so we're going to cover that. You're going to be an expert, do not worry. Then we're going to talk about HTTP requests, and we're going to go quite advanced, probably more advanced than training you've seen before on this topic, and that's coming up too. We're going to cover sessions and cookies. Now, that's not an advanced topic, but I do think it's an essential topic, and it's something that we'll add in just to make sure you've got that covered. Then, a little bit of controversy here. I'm going to talk about why PSR is the worst thing that ever happened to PHP. Now, that's an opinion, and you are 100% welcome to disagree with that opinion. However, you might want to hold back and do the training first, because then when we reach that point, you and I can have a very informed and intelligent conversation about things like that. And who knows, maybe you'll disagree and maybe you'll be right. But we're going to talk about that as well. Finally, I'm going to finish off with a little bit about the future of PHP and where I happen to think PHP is going. That's the training. Welcome aboard, and let us begin.